Hi, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're going to be making some chandelier earrings. So I want to make some chandelier earrings, but I don't want them to take forever.
I've got some cool chandelier findings. You want to try them?
Sure.
Okay. So here they are. They're kind of almost vintage looking, kind of an antique bronze.
Yeah.
I call them. Like they have a good detail.
Yeah.
Do you like them? Not too many.
Yeah,
loops
just
at the
like
bottom.
4.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect.
I've got 5 and then 1 in the center. So
yeah,
that's not too bad.
No, let's do
that
it.
won't take too long.
Head pins.
Got them.
Some accent beads.
Yes. Anything really.
Yeah.
We can hang anything off these and they'll be gorgeous.
They are.
You make one, I'll make one.
All right. Let's see who can get them done faster.
It's gonna be probably you. I did a video just yesterday on supplies you always need for making earrings, and I talked a lot about using head pins and how many beads you want to put on each head pin and everything like that. So if you guys want to check that out, there's a link down below. How come you're going so fast? I'm talking too much.
I think these are good with just a loop.
Okay. Gotcha. 2, 3, 4.
I'm beating you.
You are beating me by a mile here, girl.
So easy. So you can just leave 3.
That looks cute like that, yeah.
Let's try another.
I love it.
Let's see what it looks like with it hanging on that one part up there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Cute.
One more.
All right, so you're just taking it and bending back like so and making a loop, right?
Just making a loop.
So just trimming it off about 3/8 of an inch. You can also do this with your one-step looper. We done a bunch of videos using the one-step looper, or you can just bring that into a loop with your round nose plier, just like so.
And add an ear wire.
Good thing we're not in a race because I totally lost this race.
Ow. Boom.
Cute.
Done.
What'd you do in the middle? Did you put a bead
Put a
on the
little-
bottom?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Just checking.
And there is your fast and easy earring.
I love it. Big deal to make sure you get them closed though when you use these open connectors like this. If you don't get them closed, bad things happen.
Fall off. You'll lose your bead.
On something like this, it wouldn't be super noticeable, but you'd be pretty sad when you got home. You've been walking around all night with a bead missing.
Trying to act all cool.
Yeah, that would be me. There we go. Last one. That was super fast.
Super fast.
Hardest part is getting the one on the middle. Did it. Close it up.
I think I won.
You win. Once again, I did that video on everything, supplies you need for making earrings, and I showed you guys how to open and close ear wires, but I'm just going to do one for you right now so you can see. Twist open, drop your chandelier finding on, and twist close. Easy.
So easy.
Ta-da.
So cute.
Cheers.
Cheers. So this was so fast and so easy.
Yeah, it was.
I can't wait to wear these tonight. So I think I'm gonna need this one too.
I thought I was going to wear them tonight.
You can wear one on one side. I'll wear one on the other.
I don't think that's going to work. You can wear them. I'll let you.
Okay, thanks.
You always win. You win. That's right. You won the battle. There you go.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we worked with today, check out the links down below. What's the fastest you've ever had to get ready for a night on the town? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now that you know a little bit about making chandelier earrings, you can say,
I made these.